Hello, Candiners. Yeah, I want to share something that very important for the every modern seafarers need. Today's seafarers need more than just a seamanship because the maritime world is evolving fast and so much we. So today I want to share the five skills every modern seafarers need for you, so you can learn and evolving fast, and you can adapt with modern era. The first one, you need to have digital navigation and tech fluency skills. Modern ship is run on data from ACDIS to AI assisted routing. Seafarers must master digital tools to sail smart and safe. And the skills number two is about I think cybersecurity awareness. Because with rising cyber threats, I think knowing how to protect your ship's system is as vital as steering the helm. And the skills number two is environmental and regulatory compliance, because from it's about from ballast water to carbon emission. Green operation are the future. This is the future. Ballast water to carbon emission, green operations, and so know the rules and lead the change is very important for all the seafarers in this modern era. And the number four skills number four is soft skills and leaderships, because the communication, teamwork, and emotional intelligence keep crews united. Because without good communication, without teamwork and emotional intelligence, the work is not our job is not fluently comfortable with others, to communicate with other peoples. So it will not comfortable. So especially in high stress situation, this skills is very important. You need to have these skills also. And the final skills is yeah, of course, continuous learning mindset. You need to have a mindset to always continuous learning, because the sea is never stops changing, so neither shall you. Stay curious, stay trained, and stay ahead. You need to have a very curious person. You need to learning more, and every day you need to learning more. And that's all the five skills that needed for seafarers in the modern area. So you need to prepare yourself to adapt with this era, because modern seafarers are tech savvy, eco smart, and people waste. So are you ready to navigate in the future? Okay, just follow our posts in Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and other social media. And please like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye bye.